me Delilah, and we are gonna be reacting to some slime reviews. So first, we're gonna go see Sensitive Slimes by Amy. So I guess we could start with 100 Honest, and I watched the video, but
oh
I
my gosh,
watched it
I
all.
literally fell in love with this charm when I saw this on her Instagram, and I was just like,
Okay, so
I need to
she's
have that
talking too
slime.
much, so yeah, whatever.
The charm is so cute. It's so pretty and colorful.
So why would we do that? So let's go to Sensitive Slime by Amy.
Today I have a slime review package from Sensitive Slime by Amy that I purchased from her, and these were the extra
Okay, nobody
cute.
cares.
And here's the 4 random slimes that I purchased, so these slimes are completely random. So the first one was like her Halloween like cloud slime, and this one is absolutely my favorite because it smells so good and it's like doesn't leave any residue, and it's so like nice. I love it.
Okay, so in my cloud slime, I rather just let it go fall down in the bowl or the table, not just keep it up there.
Second, I have this slime with some fake snow in it that adds like a cool crisp texture.
Okay, so your camera's too movable, so I give you this. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, this one is pretty. And when we're when we're I don't know what to say. Yes, like that, like how she does it. Not that, not that, not that. That. That's how I would want it to do it. Not just when it's going down. Get it? Like, just leave it like that.
Shop and doing a review, and today is between to be notified when I upload all of that down your slime, and you.
Oh my gosh, I said nobody cares about that.
I've been posting every day, and subscribe. Packaging, the security on it, everything was just like probably one of the nicest packages I've ever unboxed. So it came with a ton of extras, as you can see here, some candy, some little jewels, a pop socket, and a little squishy. She included just so many extras, some Snow Wonder, and then also I'm obsessed with this. It's so cute. It's a little activator spray bottles. I think this is such a cute idea. So I got 4 6-ounce slimes and 1 4-ounce slimes, and for the 6-ounce slimes, her slimes usually average between $15 and $16 once you calculate shipping into the price of them. So first up, we have Sweet Dreams, which is a cloud slime, and oh my gosh, you guys, look how beautiful this is. It has like a teal blue and white cloud slime, and then it comes with a little cute unicorn charm on top, some really fun gold glitter, and it also has. It fell really nicely, and the only thing is it did leave a little bit of a residue, as most cloud slimes do, but it wasn't like a wet texture or anything like that. It just left a little bit on the table. It actually didn't leave any residue on my hands, but the slime itself.
Actually, I don't. Sweet Dreams. Okay, nobody cares about it.
Smells so good, and it's a white base slime, and it has some foam beads and colorful foam
looks
beads
like
in
she's
it
talking
as well.
a lot, so
And it's
yeah.
super crunchy. It's very thick texture and a glossy texture, and it didn't need to be activated at all. Either did the last one, and I just love the consistency of this. It was
Okay, so I think we're done with Sensitive Slime by Amy, and I guess we're gonna move now to the Mexican one. Okay, so the next one is Slime Vida by Capri, I think. Yeah, that's her name. And she sells slime. And I'm obsessed with her slime. So first, let's go to Karina Garcia. Yeah.
This is
I watched it. I'm sorry.
ASMR Power of Sound.
Okay,
Toys
nobody
Unlimited.
cares
Top
about
is
that.
Slime Vida, like Slime Live, but in Spanish, Slime Vida. You got it. All right, so I actually don't remember.
Okay, who cares?
A sweet note, and then it says what's in it. I don't know. I'm shook right now. There's a freaking pinata in here. This is so cute. So these are marshmallows. I'm assuming they're Mexican marshmallows. Oh my gosh, I kind of want one now. Yeah, thanks. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's like little unicorn marshmallows. Do you want one? Here you go. Wait, let's try again. Boom. All right, next up. So we got a pinata. Is there candy in here? This is literally, there's candy in here. Oh my gosh, mustaches. This is so cute. This candy is my life. So this candy, if you don't know what it is, it's like a chili, but
So what is to me, honey?
a little sweet, salty. I don't know how to explain it. You see that little guy? Oh my gosh, a sweater? This is so cute, y'all. This is
Like literally when she said a sweater, her heart dropped. Like what?
so cute. That is so cool. That's so random, but like so cute, you know? Ooh, and it's raspberry, lemon, orange, cherry. Oh my god, what is this? It's a freaking little card. Oh my gosh,
Okay.
it's so cute. It literally functions like, what the heck? Like, this is insane. Oh my gosh, this is, I can't take it. All right, what else have we got in here? What is this? Oh, just like a cute else here. It's so colorful, so cute. So cute. I just can't take it. You guys, I'm having like the best time ever unboxing this right now. Like, this is amazing. We got some chili mango lollipops. This is so cute. Down here, oh, it's like a care sheet. It has the instructions, I'm assuming, and it also has like a borax baggie in there to fix your slime. This is so cute. I can't.
Okay, now she's moving on to the slime.
Let's get the slimes out. Wow. The wrapping, first of all, is so adorable.
Sana, sana.
Sana. Oh my god, is this a frog? Yeah, it's a frog. Oh my god, so sana, colita de rana means like it's like a little like song that you sing to someone when they get hurt, and then you say sana, colita de rana, whatever, and it's like you heal them supposedly. I can't. This is like childhood memories. I'm dead. Okay. Little squishy frog. Ooh. Whoa, this slime is thick, dude. This has been sitting for like a good week. So thick. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Do you see how thick that is? Oh my gosh, this is insane. A little frog. So cute. Wow, I'm impressed. Alright, next up we got, oh my gosh. This is so cute. You guys, this is a concha. It's a Mexican bread.
I love conchas.
Pink.
It's
is
so
what the name
good.
of this is. It's a cloud slime. Oh my gosh, this is like perfect, y'all. Let me smell this. Oh my gosh. Wow, it smells like legit.
Okay, see you later.
Wow.
So after the
Okay, this is amazing cloud slime.
good.
This was just like an extra slime. It looks like it has so cute. Okay.
Mango.
Prepare to be shook. Round of applause, honey.
Okay, let's move on to the next
You are
slime,
seriously-
Vida.
It's the heat that has been going on. But yeah, this one was super crunchy. When you squished it, it created like this popcorn. If it's sticky, or butter slime if it's also sticky. It's like super in like instruction. You know, it's in debt. She also sent me so many of these cute Mexican stickers that she actually made. They're super cute. There's like tajin, there's conchas. So these three charms are the actually like for the slime, and she also sent me this like mouth thingy and this fish that actually like bends with your hand heat. And I've actually never used one of these, and it's super cool. Popcorn, you guys, and she like put like this foam pieces in there. I think it's supposed to be like palomitas, like popcorn, and It's super cool. It gave it a different texture. It wasn't like a jelly cube, but it was super squishy and like you can squish it a lot. It came a little sticky, but I could fix it with some activator. It's not their fault. It's the heat that has been going on. But yeah, this one was super crunchy. When you squish it, it created like this popcorn sound, like like when you put a popcorn in the microwave, it starts exploding. That's exactly
Okay,
how
so yeah, that's kind of hold on. Okay, so yeah. So the next slime is, oh my gosh, I have some stuff in my eye. Yeah, this one's actually a surprise, so yeah. So the next one is New York slimes. Ooh. Ooh. Well, I want to see the marshmallow cloud slime. That looks cute. But I want to see people's reaction, so. Talia, that it always comes up more. Okay, I guess. Yeah, this is the one. So just give me a second. Okay, so that's one. They look so cute. Yeah, in the description below, I'll do all the slimes
Hey
I
everyone,
was
it's Julian, and in
reviewing.
today's video, I'm going to be doing an honest review of a bunch of
And please
slimes
comment
that
down
I picked
below
up from
which
Slime New
slime
York.
shop
So starting off in the
should I
package
order?
was this little
Those
care
3
sheet, which came
slimes.
with a little
Which
baggie
one was it?
of
Sensitive
borax and
Slimes
some
by
little Starburst
Amy.
lolly.
Shut up, girl. Sensitive Slime by Amy, New York Slimes, or Slime Vita.
And then it also had this really cute bag of extras. So inside here we just had some squishies. So this is the first one. And then this one was so cute. It was like a baby chick and it was adorable. And this is a 3-ounce slime. And I think it's called a mochi slime. So it has these little, I think they're called pom-poms in here, which give it a really awesome texture. And then it's just a lovely light mint color with some pink glitter in it, and it's scented like a really subtle mint, and it's really nice and soft and really nice and pokey, which I like. And the cool little like fur balls, they call them fur balls, I think they're little pom-poms, in this slime kind of made it feel like a stress ball and gave it an awesome texture. Up next we have a fairy dust blob, and this is one of my favorites just because it's so glittery and pretty. So this is a 2-ounce clear slime, and then it's just got some really fine iridescent purple glitter mixed in. And I really like this slime. I did have to activate it quite a bit because mine had melted, but that's okay. And here it is once it's all mixed together. As you can see, it totally has fairy vibes, like the name would suggest, and I really like this slime.
My stomach is like growling because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten.
Hawaiian slime, and this is a 6-ounce slime, and this was originally supposed to be a 3-toned slime, so there were 3 different shades of slime in this, but mine came a little mixed due to shipping. So when mixed, this slime gave it a really soft, buttery texture. I did like the scent. It smelled a little bit like medicine to me, so it's definitely not one of my favorites, but I loved how soft and stretchy this slime was, and it was also super clicky, which I liked. This is a 3-ounce, and it's another one of my favorite slimes today. So this is a slushy slime, so it's got slushy beads in it, and then it's got these little pops of pink from these little pink beads, and you can also see that there's some little glittery hearts in there as well. I loved the subtle sweet scent in this slime. I'm not a big fan of overpowering scents.
Okay, so they look cute.
So I did like how...
So let's skip.
Candy shop, and it's a 6-ounce clay-based slime, and it's topped with small and large. I liked the texture to play with. So So this one here is another one of my favorites just because of how beautiful it is. And this is called Glass Slipper, and it's a 6-ounce slime. And as you can see, it's a clear base slime, and then it has some really pretty iridescent flakes in it. And I'm totally getting Cinderella vibes from this slime. It's also scented really sweetly, but it's super subtle. This slime was also great for bubble pops, and I just love the way that this is a 6-ounce, and this smelled exactly like a blueberry yogurt, which
Okay, so this is kind of all the ones this kind of was slime. Yeah. Oh wait, no, there's one more. There's one more. It's Kawaii Slime Company. This one's my favorite actually. So I wanna. Okay, so this is Kawaii Slime Company. Yeah. I like the song.
was the slime care
Ooh,
pack,
that looks
and I like how this
cool.
was bundled all together. So the first things in here were just some little candies, and
Hey,
then
those.
the activator in here was so awesome because it was already like made up in this little spray bottle, and it has all the information that you need for the activator on the bottle. And then there was also a really fun bonus slime, and then a little business card, and the slime in here was actually really nice. It had a cute little cookie charm in here, and it smelled super sweet, and it was really nice and stretchy, and I love that they included an extra slime. So the first slime I picked out is this cherry gelati slime hybrid, and I picked this out because I just thought it looked so cool because it's a layered slime. So the bottom layer is a cherry scented slime, and it's kind of like a jelly consistency, and then on top is a really smooth and creamy vanilla scented slime. And then when you mix them together, oh my gosh, the scent was amazing. I love the two different tones of slime here, and I love the two different textures, and then when you mix them together, they were incredible. And it also came with this adorable cherry charm to go along with the cherry theme of the slime, and I love. Yeah, let's keep going. Next, we have a Bubble Pop Clear Slime, and this is a 6-ounce, and I actually have it sitting in front of me right now because it smells so incredible. It smells just like a lolly I used to eat, and I can't remember which lolly it is, but oh my gosh, it's like making my mouth water. So this is, and it's also got some really, one of my favorite, none of these slimes leak. Base of this is a very thick and glossy slime, and then
that is my favorite color.
Mini foam beads, turquoise color, and there's a little like very differently packaged, but also super fun slime. So this is from their ice cream slime collection, and I picked up the blue one, which was a cookie dough inspired slime. So they had like a bunch of different ice cream inspired slime. So awesome. And awesome, fun 2 ounces, I think it said on the website, so I wish I had more because it was just such. And this is a 6-ounce, and as you can see here, it's got pastel foam beads and these really pretty little shell like sequiny glitters, which is bought a bunch of foam beads themed charm, which I like.
Okay, so yeah, let you guys choose what is it again? Kawaii Slime Shop Company, New York Slimes. What else? Slime Vida and Sensitive Slime by Amy. So yeah, I'll put them in the description below. And yeah, that's all for today. And so bye.